everyone, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this succulent, juicy, delicious fried pork belly. It is super easy to make, so if you'd like to know how I made this, then please keep watching. So guys, as I said, this is super easy to make. So this is all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this pork belly. So I've got here 500 grams of pork belly sliced that I got it from the supermarket. You can get it from your local butchers or supermarket. So I already cleaned it and pat it dry. And I've got some frying oil and some seasoning. So I'm only using salt and seasoning cubes to marinate it, and that is it. So to do that, as you can see, I'm adding some salt in. So I'm adding some salt to season it, as well as the seasoning cubes. So please see the description box below for all the ingredients and measurements. So what I've realized, when it comes to pork, you don't need to season it much. You can just season it with salt and you'll be fine, especially with the sliced one like I've got now. So you don't need to bombard it with so many seasonings like we do with our African dishes. So it's such a good meat, like it just complements like seasoning quite good. And yeah, as you can see, I just seasoned it with salt and seasoning cubes. And right now I'm rubbing it in so it gets in properly, and I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes to marinate. And again, the good thing about it, you don't need to leave it to marinate for hours. So 30 minutes or so is good enough. So time to fry it. So I'm adding a reasonable amount of oil into the pan. So add as much or as little as you want. So I'm just waiting for the oils to get hot. I normally put it on high heat so it can get super hot, then reduce the heat to medium high, then start to fry it, as you can see. So guys, I'm going to fry them on both sides until it's fully cooked and it has that golden brown color, which I love, love, love. But do make sure it's proper cooked. Remember, this is pork. You don't want to eat uncooked pork, otherwise you get sick. I don't want you to get sick, so please make sure it's cooked properly and there's no pink in the middle or looking uncooked. So make sure it's cooked fully. So for all the details on how to do that, please see the description box below. So yeah guys, I'm leaving this to cook and I'm going to flip them over, then flip them over again. When I'm doing this, I'm like a DJ, you know. I flip them over and over again until I'm satisfied. I want to make sure, you know, it's crispy on the top layer. So I leave it for a little bit longer than usual. So yeah guys, this is what I'm doing, and when it's done, you're good to go. Et voila, c'est prêt à manger. Guys, can we just take a moment and look at this? Doesn't it just look juicy, succulent, delicious? I just love this so much. I love me some pork belly, you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a like. Press the notification bell if you haven't yet, so you don't miss any of my recipe videos. And yeah guys, I had mine with vegetable jollof rice. Wow, so delicious. If you'd like me to post a recipe on how I made this vegetable jollof rice, then let me know on the comment section below. And also, if you have any video requests, then let me know. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate your comments, your support, for watching my videos, for sharing, for your love, for everything. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much, and I wish you all a beautiful week ahead.